Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys a quick easy way I trim my brows myself at home. My brows were grown, they needed a trim, and I thought I could film this on camera so that you guys can see how I do it. So I just brushed through my brows and I'm going to use this black pencil to mark out my brows into the shape I want it to be. This is also helpful if you're a beginner, if this is your first time trimming your brows. That way you know where to remove hairs and where not to remove hairs. I'm going to go in and use this hair remover. Just pour a little bit on the cap like so, and I'm going to use this flat brush to pick up the product. So I'm just picking up the product with the brush and I'm going to apply it underneath my brows the same way I apply my concealer underneath my brows. So you guys can see my brows are marked, so it's very easy for me to know where to place the hair remover and where not to apply it. Okay, and you need to do a patch test with this hair remover to know how long it's going to take your hairs off before you go into the main areas you want to remove hairs. And I'm going to pick up this blade, brush up my hairs and just trim off the excess on top of my brows. So I'm just going to remove all the excess hairs I do not want there. Make sure they are clean and nicely groomed. I don't put the hair remover on top of my brows because even though my brows are marked, I still tend to mess it up and place it or apply it where I do not want to remove hairs. So I just use the blade instead because I find that easier instead of using the hair remover. So I waited for 5 minutes and I'm going to take this face wipe. You can just use water to wash off your face, but I decided to use face wipe. So I'm just going to clean the product with this, and you guys can see how it just trimmed my brows so nicely. So I'm just doing that to the other brow like so, and I'm making sure I'm just wiping away all the products. And yeah, that is how I just do my brows myself at home. You can also do this yourself, just brushing through my brows to see if everything is nicely trimmed. So that is the end of this video. Don't forget to click on the like button if you did enjoy this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.